If you have uploaded your TikTok videos from your computer and then save them as drafts, you would not be able to publish them from your phone. However, there is a trick that you could use to access the draft videos on your phone without publishing them. So open the draft video on your computer and then scroll down until you get to the settings. Here you could see the option called Who Can See This Post, and it is set to everyone. Simply click on the drop down and change it to only you. This would then make your video private. And now scroll further down and then click on post, and here you could see under the privacy it is set to only me, so it is not published to everyone. Now if you would open your TikTok app and go to your profile, just above your videos there is a padlock icon. Tap on it, and this is where you could see the video that you have saved on your computer and set it as private. Tap on it to open it, and then in order to publish it, tap on privacy settings, and under who can watch this video, select everyone. I can close it, tap on back. This would then move the video from your private videos into your all videos. Important, if you set your video as private and then after 1 month change it to public, it can affect its performance. That is, you could get less views because when you post it, not many people watched it because it was only visible to you. It's a shame that TikTok doesn't have an option to upload from your computer, save it as a draft, and then access it on your phone, just like other social media platforms. Let me know in the comments if this trick was helpful.